Does YouTube TV have everything? YouTube TV offers a wide variety of live TV channels, on-demand content, and premium add-ons, making it one of the most comprehensive streaming services available. However, everything depends on your viewing needs. Here's what a YouTube TV includes. 1. Live TV channels. Local networks ABC, CBS, NBC, FOX, and PBS, based on location. News channels CNN, MSNBC, FOX News, BBC World News. Sports channels ESPN, NFL Network, NBA TV, MLB Network, and regional sports. Entertainment channels AMC, FX, TNT, TBS, USA Network, HGTV, and Food Network. Kids and Family Disney Channel, Nickelodeon, Cartoon Network, PBS Kids. Music channels MTV, VH1, CMT, and BEAT. 2. On-demand content. Thousands of TV shows, movies, and past episodes from major networks. Full seasons of popular TV series, depending on availability. 3. Premium add-ons, optional. HBO Max, Showtime, Stars, Cinemax, top-tier premium channels. Sports, plus NFL Red Zone, Fox Soccer Plus, MAVTV, and more. 4K Plus, select live TV in 4K, offline downloads, and unlimited streams at home. International add-ons, Spanish language channels like Univision, ESPN Deportes, and Fox Deportes. 4. Features and perks, unlimited cloud DVR, record and save shows for up to 9 months, multiple profiles, up to 6 user profiles with personalized watch lists, simultaneous streams, stream on up to 3 devices simultaneously, voice control, supports Google Assistant and Alexa, what a YouTube TV doesn't have. Some premium networks, channels like A&E, History Channel, and Lifetime are not included. Offline viewing, without add-on. Offline downloads are only available with the 4K Plus add-on. Ad-free viewing. Ads are shown during live TV and on-demand content unless you pay for ad-free versions through specific add-ons like HBO Max or Showtime. Conclusion. Best for sports fans, families, and entertainment lovers. Limitations. Missing some niche channels and requires internet access.